Hi there, students. Courtesy. Okay, courtesy is showing respect, showing formal respect in social situations. You have the adjective courteous. Courtesy the noun, courteous the adjective. So, courtesy, politeness in attitude, being a gentleman, showing that you are polite. Very often they also use this word courtesy to mean a free service, particularly when somebody's paying for another service. So, for example, a hotel could have a courtesy car to take you to the airport, or a garage could have a courtesy car that you can use while they're repairing yours. At an airport, they very often have courtesy phones. These are phones that can be used by the general public, or somebody rings the airport and then they call out your name. Please pick up the red courtesy phone. You could have courtesy tickets. So I know, for example, oil companies provide courtesy tickets to Grand Prix, to motor racing, for their important clients. Maybe if you're in the hotel, you could ask them to wake you up at 6 a.m. They call that a courtesy call. So, a free service as well. And I think this usage is probably more common, yeah? But the main meaning of courtesy is politeness in attitude, yeah? You need to show common courtesy when dealing with people, yeah? You need to be courteous. You need to be polite and do the socially acceptable and the socially accepted things. Very often as well, you will see something is by courtesy of someone else. So, photographs by courtesy of I Swear English. Okay, provided by, permission to use them has been given by. Yeah? You could do somebody the courtesy of. So I did him the courtesy of informing him about my plans. Or when someone's angry, you might have had the courtesy to tell me that you weren't going to come to my party. Yeah? You could do something out of courtesy. That means that you do it because you want to be polite. You don't want to be rude. So, out of courtesy, I offered to help him, although I didn't really want to, but it was the polite thing to do. I didn't want to help him because I didn't have a lot of time. The food was provided by courtesy of the company. So here the courtesy is as a favour, not a right. They let him stay at the meeting as a courtesy. So a favour to him. So they're using courtesy as well to mean favour. So, what about the origin? Well, this word comes from Latin, from cohors or cohort. And I think this has the idea of a courtyard or a retinue of servants, a group of servants who belong to a big house. Well, this is Latin, so it's going to be the slaves. And the servants, or the group of servants, or the group of slaves, need to show courtesy to the master and the family of the house, I guess. What about formality? I think this word is probably slightly formal, although I think you could definitely use it in an informal conversation, and it's definitely a very good word for something much more formal. So, courtesy, politeness, showing the adequate social norms, showing respect in social situations. And then you have this courtesy as a free service, a courtesy car, a courtesy bus, a courtesy phone, courtesy tickets, a courtesy call, and I'm sure there are lots more of those as well, which is something that is available to your customers, maybe even available to the general public, provided as a service to the people who use the place. So anyway, there you go, courtesy. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Courtesy.